This garden started out as a way to teach kids about where their food comes from, but in a short time it's grown to become a jewel of the community.
I had this idea that I wanted, and people said it was too big. It was too much for a school and too much for the parents to take on.
So let's cut it from down below.
The garden is the brainchild of parent volunteer Chrissy Gerber.
What made you decide the school needed a garden?
Well, I saw a need and I wanted to fill it. The children here wanted to be outside doing more activities outdoors, and this gave them the opportunity to have an outdoor classroom.
And did you have experience being a gardener?
A little bit in my own garden, but not a lot.
Not a lot. How did you know what to do?
I just decided I wanted to make it work and started putting it together, and it's trial and error, and got a lot of parents involved, some of them who knew what they were doing, a lot of them that didn't, and we all just kind of put our heads together and physically got out here and just did it.
There were a lot of people here today, a lot of parents, a lot of students, everybody was excited. How do you get the kids involved?
Well, the kids are easy.
Okay, let's show CJ and
The kids, you get dirt, you get bugs, you get plants, you get food. I mean, you get the kids all involved with all of those things, and they're happy to be involved. They're happy to be out here.
See the flowers, little yellow flowers? Okay, put them in your mouth and tell me what you think. I'm gonna eat some food.
They taste like cold broccoli.
They taste like cold broccoli. You like it?
I like these.
When was the last time you saw a kid voluntarily eat broccoli?
The garden has grown to benefit the entire community with lessons of nature, the experience of growing fresh food, and with plain old kinship.
Yeah? What's the flavor?
This is one of the schools that the majority of the students are Spanish-speaking students or from Hispanic background, and this has really allowed both of those groups to come together without worrying about the language barrier or the economic status.
Yeah, you can eat this.
Have the teachers embraced it too?
Oh gosh, have they? Every class has a plot. They have already made salads. They already are thinking of other ways of making it more interactive with what's going on in the classroom, and coming out here as another way of allowing kids to learn and be able to relay this not only to the curriculum but to their personal lives.
So it goes home with them?
Oh, totally. Totally. My son came home with a lettuce that we enjoyed with our salad dinner because it was so good from right here from the garden.
Growing your own fruits and vegetables, herbs, and even edible flowers is really fun. But more than that, it's incredibly rewarding.